Hi, little kitchen. Oh, my favorite view. No, view. Fine, let's address the clutter. What a mess. What's even back here behind the fridge? Bunch of, tall things. Let's take out the clutter first so we can see this space. These glass shelves have been here since we moved in and they're just collecting random stuff.
Better. Now these shelves have to go. We can wrap and store the shelves in the creepy basement. Even better. Now we can measure the space. Looks like the only item that will fit here is the skinniest Ikea Ivar unit. Time for a hack. Hi, I'm Tammy. Thanks for being here. What time is it? Evar time. Let's hack an Evar. This is how much space we have to work with. 30 centimeters or 12 inches. And we have all the height, so we got the highest one possible in Evar. It is 226 centimeters or 89 inches. And you mount your shelves in between with the little metal pegs that they give you on the shelves. Couldn't be easier. We're gonna paint it white and put it next to the fridge. Here's a really quick look at the Evar components we're working with today. We have 2 of these side mounting rails. This is the 30 by 226 centimeter size or 12 inch by 89 inch. Same thing. So we have 2 of these. This is the way that they come in the warehouse without a box. There's a big sign saying more sustainable, and I believe it. The only packaging that comes on the Evar is a little plastic baggie with your little components. That's it. There's no box. There's no box on the shelves. It really is more sustainable in that way. So yay, IKEA. Don't know how they get them into the warehouse that way undamaged, all stacked on each other, but they're figuring it out. And the shelves, we got 6 of the shelves, and we'll see. Do we need more? Do we need less? That's the shelf. That's the bottom. This is the bottom of the shelf, and it comes with the 2 pegs here and 2 metal pegs here, and you pull them out and you mount them into the side mounting things and put them on top. That's it. There's no packaging. That's it. All self-contained. Really nice design, IKEA. We've got the observator. This is the X bracing that goes in the back. And when you take this off, it opens up into an X and stabilizes this really tall, narrow unit. We got 2 packs of little feet for the bottom. 2 packs of 2. So to help them, from marking up the floor or whatever. I could not find these on the US website, only on the Italian website of IKEA. So not sure if they offer these in America. And we got 2 sets of these hooks. We got 2 sets. We'll see if we need 2 sets, if we need something else. We'll see how it goes. To attach this Evar to the wall, they give you this tiny little strap with a hole in it. And they give you 2 washers and 1 little screw. I assume this one goes into the top of your shelf. And they don't ever give you the one to go into the wall because you have to find your own for your own wall. Makes sense because my plaster walls would laugh at this. In 2021, we all need small kitchen organization and small space organization on a budget. And we all need renter-friendly organization ideas. All of these components in Italy cost 67 euro. That is 2 of the side mounting things, 6 shelves, 2 packs of feet and 2 packs of hooks and the Observator X cable in the back. 67 euro. I saw on the US website for all of those same components minus the feet, it was $77, I guess plus tax. So, not sure how much the feet are in the US. The feet were 2 euro each set, so 4 euro total. Okay, Evar time. Yes, should be easy. Let's paint this thing to the balcony. Let's see how much organization we can get into this small kitchen next to my fridge using all of our vertical space, which is all we have. We have nothing else. We have a 12-inch wide space. That's it. Let's see what we can do with that. If you were wondering how to assemble the Evar shelving unit, here you go. It couldn't be simpler. Flat side of the little ends on the Observator are the ones to attach to the wood. They do not tell you this in the directions. Adding this Observator X bracing in a way that keeps the whole unit level is the trickiest part of the project. Make sure you have a friend helping you and definitely use a level. On our channel, there are lots more small kitchen organization hacks. I'll put links to them down below. Please like and subscribe while you're down there. Here's what it looks like in place, completely empty. Here you can see how perfectly the ladder and the ironing board fit in the tiny space next to the fridge. So much useful storage, and we're accessing it from the side, so that allows us to use these side rail supports to hang our dish towels and to hide our white little hooks. We also put hooks on the back side facing the wall for extra hanging capacity. Hi, little kitchen. It's amazing how an Ikea Ivar hack can add so much organization and so much calm to a small space. Remember, you can tackle one area at a time when you have time. We have lots more videos with Ikea hacks. Try this one.